ROG Flow Z13 Gaming Notebook. Main features are ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2.5 DEC 180Hz3 Miss ROG Nebula Touchscreen 13.4 Convertible 2-in-1 Gaming Notebook AMD Ryzen AIM X plus 395 30dB DSD off black. Model name ROG Flow Z13. Screen size 13.4 inches. Hard disk size 1 TB. CPU model AMD8. RAM memory installed size 32 GB. AMD FreeSync Premium technology. 180 Hz refresh rate using DisplayPort. High brightness and contrast with VESA certified display. Predator game view with 8 modes. 1 misses G2G response time. Processor Intel Core i9 and other high-end Intel mobile processors. Graphics NVIDIA IA GeForce RT X40 series laptop GPUs. Display 13.4-inch, high-resolution touchscreen. High refresh rates. Memory LPDDR5 RAM. Storage NVMe CSSD. Connectivity Thunderbolt, USB-C, and other modern ports. Wi-Fi 6E or better. Operating system Windows 11. High-quality display. The display is designed for gaming and content creation, often with high refresh rates and color accuracy. ROG Nebula display technology is often used. 2-in-1 design. It's a tablet with a detachable keyboard, allowing for use in various modes. This makes it highly portable and adaptable. Powerful components. It features high-performance Intel Core processors and NVIDIA IA GeForce RTX graphics cards, enabling gaming on the go. It is designed to pack high-end gaming computer components into a tablet form factor.